What's up, RC addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the ZD Racing 9102 Thunder B-10E kit built and ready to run. We're going to test it out on 2S, see what kind of speed we get on the GPS. Then we're going to run it on 3S. We've got a 60 amp ESC in here, just the first run of it. Just want to shake it down, see what it's got. I'm only running like a 23 or 24 tooth pinion in it, so I don't expect it to go very fast. So we've got the GPS here. You can see it just says 2 miles per hour right there, and we're in the parking lot. It's lunchtime. Let's go. Oh, I might want to turn it on first, huh? That'll probably help. Alright, that servo is kind of slow, but it'll do for now. 2S. This is the one that I built. The buggy, the kit form. The kit version. Wasn't very hard, just most of it was already put together. That's not full speed yet, I'm just warming it up. Most of it was already put together. It was just a bunch of screws I had to. Alright, so 2S, full throttle. There it goes. Coming back. And one more. Not bad on 2S. This is a 23 or 24 tooth pinion, I said. Let's see what our GPS picks up. I say 24. Ooh, 28. Faster than I thought. Let's see if we can beat that. 28.7. Let's give it another go. You know, all right. Flat out. Going. This little buggy's moving on 2S. Still full throttle on that turn. Screaming. Staying wide open on the throttle. Almost hit the curb. And oh, I killed that battery already. All right, let's oh, we lost the pinion. Lost the pinion. We stayed at 28.7. Let's see, do we still have the pinion in there? Pinion's still in there. Pinion's still in there. But I'm not sure if I have any tools. So let me take a look and we'll be back. Well, actually, I don't have any tools because I'm on lunch break. Okay, so that's the 2S. 2S run of the ZD Racing Thunder B-10E kit. Was traveling pretty good. I don't think we're going to beat that 28.7 miles per hour. So I'm going to get it home, get that pinion put on there and get some more Loctite, get some red Loctite, put some red Loctite on it instead of blue, and maybe that'll hold. But thankfully I didn't lose it, it's still there. Alright guys, it's your boy Jeff C signing out, wishing you God bless, share the knowledge, keep the hobby alive. Peace.